收到 Target Baby Registry Kit， 跟大家分享一下里面都有什么吧。Diaper Rush Cream. Even though it's very little, good enough for
you
the
only need a dip.
Baby. Wipes. Huggies wipes. 16 wipes. Burgers and snacks. And
I just want to let you know I love the soup.
oh, that's fantastic. This is a 奶瓶 milk bottle.
Oh,
Follow instructions, Dr. Brown. Dr. Brown's.
the bottle.
Do not feel about the line. Oh, USOZ. Oh yeah, it has measure marks. See? What's so? So just open it. Oh my god, I'm going to be a feeder. Drink it.
You shouldn't yell.
More.
No, I'm not. I'm a bull.
Oh, it's a female one. I know.
I have a different job.
That's good. Basically, 其实这个就够了，宝贝，我觉得 doesn't have to come into like a bigger amount. Luxury diapers, 2-pack, 6 to 11 pounds. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We have everything now. I feel very prepared for the first few days. Plant-based wipes, more wipes. This is 10 wipe. Definitely these things goods can be good for suitable for the first week. This is breast milk storage bag. 2 disposable nursing pads. Oh, breast milk storage bag. Wash, baby wash and shampoo. So smart. Gently, not too much. Just use a little bit. Oh, we still have more.
Wow. Please.
Huggies, diaper. I guess it's a different type of diaper. What's this? Healing ointment for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Fragrance free. Ointment. This is for baby ointment. Wow, what's this? Scent booster. Oh, this is for laundry, I guess.
In wash.
Laundry?
Scent booster.
Oh, this is for stretch marks. I can use it right now.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Yeah. See, is it? Can we double check? Massage lotion.
Wash.
So just adding scent for the babies.
I think it's supposed to be for the baby so that they smell something pleasant.
Oh, oops. I can use it today. Bottle and dish soap. Oh, this is for wash the milk bottle. Is it? I'm talking to you, my love.
Yes. 对。
哒哒。
对啊。
好多啊，好全啊。There's the receipt.
Water wipes.
Oh, another wipe. So this is 10 wipes. 我们有足够的 wipe. So this, mommy's. So this is for stomach discomfort. Baby, is this for moms or baby?
Mommy's bliss. Ready to use stomach discomfort from gas. For itty bitty bellies, yeah, it's for babies.
So this is a water bottle. I can use it now.
Oh, it's a baby bottle.
Oh, a gift for you and your little one.
And your little one.
You
want to go around?
No, I'm going to open it. Oh yeah, this is so unfair. Oh, see, this one you can heat it in there. 这 Philips 应该是一个好的牌子吧？它经常有那个 electric things， 对不对？
Yeah, like tool.
Okay, I'm going to put this in.